What's the best towels to use when you're using an infrared sauna? White, organic, for obvious purposes. You don't want anything off-gassing. You don't want any dyes leaching into your bench and staining your bench. So go get some white organic towels to put down. Double up on the bench. You know, if you got a good sauna, you're gonna sweat buckets, so you're gonna want to put most of the, you know, the thick towels on the bench, and put a thin towel on the floor just to absorb your sweat. You don't want it too thick because you don't want to block the infrared heat or whatnot. So that's my answer. So you want to use towels every time you use it. That's the main thing of keeping your sauna clean, fresh, new, and lasting a very long time. So go out there, get white organic towels, double up on the bench, thin one on the floor, take them out when you're done, wash them, and rinse and repeat. So I'm the Sweat Fanatic. Until next time, get out there and sweat.